Headphone hangers are amazing pieces of equipment that will help you to keep your desk clean and your headphones organized and always on reach. Without taking up an absurd amount of desk space, they offer efficient decluttering while adding minimalistic touch to your overall setup. So in today's video, we are going to showcase 5 of the best under-desk headphone holders that you will find useful.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the Truss Under Desk Holder by Brainwavz. A dual headphone hanger that you will find decent for professional studio work. Featuring a solid aluminum construction, this under-desk headphone hanger is quite sturdy to provide you with a strong and convenient storage solution. With its powerful 3M VHB tape, attaching this hanger under your desk will be effortless without needing any screw or drilling, and it can hold almost any headset regardless of its weight. The dual docking design is simply stunning as it offers ample space for docking 2 large headsets, or use one side to store headphones and another for efficient cable management. While working in a studio, you will often find yourself being surrounded by tons of headphones, and if you are looking for a solution to declutter your studio desk, the Brainwavz Truss can be a lifesaver. Next up at number 4, we have the Acrylic Under Desk Hanger by AmoVee, a compactly designed holder that will keep your desk clean and your headset safe. Made of high-quality acrylic, this headset hanger can withstand rough usage without breaking a sweat. Thanks to its smooth and bent design, this hanger prevents your headset from accidentally dropping and getting scratched. Moreover, the quality double-faced gum of this hanger seamlessly sticks to any kind of surface and is strong enough to safely dock your headset with much ease. This ergonomic hanger universally supports all kinds of headset that you will find it useful to keep your desk clean and clutter-free. If you prefer your desk to be clean and tidy and are looking for a hanger to keep it safe and away from everyone's eyes, the AmoVee Acrylic Under Desk Hanger will let you do just that. At number 3, we have the aluminum headphone hanger by 6am Lifestyle, an attractive and durable headphone mount that you will find visually appealing. Forged with quality aluminum material, you will find the overall design quite attractive, while the 37.9 grams weight makes it ultra light yet sturdy. With its dual hanger design, you can seamlessly dock 2 sets of headset or additional gaming accessories at the same time. This under-desk headset hanger features a dual installation mode, including 2-sided VHB tape and screw mount. Just pick one according to your preference and you will be all set. As for the adhesive method, this headset hanger is equipped with a 3M VHB tape, which you will find quite strong and effortless to install. If visual aesthetics is what you crave, and looking for a simple yet stylish under-desk headset hanger to complete your minimalist desk setup, then you will find the 6am Lifestyle aluminum holder a perfect fit for you. Coming up at number 2, we have the glorious Trident by Glorious PC Gaming Race, a dynamic headset mount that provides amazing value for the price you pay. Designed to build a perfect battle station, this versatile holder features a dual hook design that can hold most headsets while having room for other gaming accessories as well. As for the build material, this underdesk holder is forged with silicone construction with steel core reinforcement, which looks quite sleek and will support you for countless years to come. On top of that, this sturdy underdesk holder has non-slip surface material which will keep your headset from falling over accidentally. It offers effortless mounting with its included ultra-strong adhesive that can bear a maximum weight of 40 pounds, which you will find quite amazing to store heavy headphones and even a VR headset. With this many features on board, the glorious Trident is an amazing value for price option that you can get for your gaming setup. Finally, at number 1, we have the COZOO headset holder, an outstanding underdesk holder that is filled with tons of amazing perks for your convenience. Featuring an all-in-one design, this underdesk holder will enable you to dock your headset as well as earphone and smartwatch in the most convenient way possible. This multi-purpose headset hanger offers dual installation modes. You can either use the strong 3M adhesive to stick it under your desk or just simply screw it for increased strength. It comes with 3 smart USB charging hubs that detects and powers up your wireless headset, smartphone, and smartwatch at their maximum speed simultaneously. Thanks to its hardened plastic outer shell, this underdesk headset holder is fire resistant, and the built-in premium circuitry guarantees device safety from a sudden power surge. It also comes with 3 cable management wire clips that you can use for efficient cable management and give your desk a minimalistic outlook. Overall, the COZOO underdesk headset holder is hands down the best option available to you that is bound to maximize your productivity. So that was all about the 5 best underdesk headphone holders that you can get to minimalize your setup. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.